No subscriptions, 100% private, and it works even if your internet goes down. Home Assistant 2026.8 just made running local AI ridiculously easy with built-in Llama.cpp support. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up in under 5 minutes. You might be wondering, Home Assistant already supports Ollama for local AI since version 2024.4, so why choose Llama.cpp now? For starters, look at the install size. On Windows, the Ollama installer is nearly 1.5 gigabytes, while Llama.cpp is less than 40 megabytes. That leaves a much smaller storage footprint on your system. Next is model availability. Ollama restricts you to its own model library, which is limited and often slow to update. With Llama.cpp, you can grab almost any new open-source model straight from Hugging Face the moment it drops. And when it comes to changing parameters, Ollama forces you to rebuild a model file and duplicate a massive file, wasting gigabytes of storage. With Llama.cpp, you simply tweak the flags in the command line, zero file copying required. And most importantly of all, performance. Benchmark tests show Llama.cpp is 30% to 80% faster than Ollama on the exact same hardware. On CPU-only setups, it's up to 50% faster, reaching up to 1.8 times the token generation speed. Why? Because Ollama adds a background daemon layer that consumes resources, has lagging GPU offloading strategies, and runs on an outdated backend. For local Home Assistant voice commands, this speed difference means instant lighting control versus a frustrating 3-second delay. Now that you see the benefits, let's get it set up. For my setup, I'm running Windows with an 7-year-old AMD graphics card that has just 2 gigabytes of VRAM. So head over to the official Llama.cpp GitHub releases page. From the assets list, I'm picking the Vulkan X64 package. Just download it, extract it to the root of your C drive, and you're ready to go. Inside the Llama.cpp folder, create a new folder named Models and copy your downloaded gguf file into it. In my case, I'm using the Llama 4.0 E4B model. I ran a quick test in the command line using the prompt "Introduce yourself in 1 sentence" to verify everything was working. Given my low-spec hardware, it took a little while to respond and averaged around 3 tokens per second, but the main thing is it runs completely fine with 0 crashes. To make it accessible to Home Assistant and other devices on my local network, here's the exact Llama server command I used. Here's what these parameters do. First, the model flag points directly to your downloaded gguf file. Then, setting host to 0.0.0.0 and port to 8080 exposes the server to your local network so Home Assistant can connect. To keep memory usage low on this budget setup, I set the context size to 2048 and parallel processing to 1, ensuring it handles requests one at a time without overloading the system. Finally, we offload 15 layers to the GPU, assign 6 CPU threads to handle processing, and select main GPU 1 as our primary graphics card. Once executed, you'll see the log confirm that the server is online and listening on port 8080. Now let's jump over to Home Assistant. Go to Settings, then Devices and Services, click Add Integration, and search for Llama.cpp. Enter your local API URL and click Submit. If you look closely here, you'll notice a small limitation. It currently only offers the Add Conversation Agent feature. Unlike the Ollama integration, there's no AI task option here yet. It's a bit of a missing feature for now, but hopefully the developers will add AI task support in a future update. For now, click Add Conversation Agent and select the Llama 4.0 E4B model from the drop-down menu. Next, head over to Voice Assistants, create a new assistant, select the conversation agent we just configured, and hit Submit. Finally, let's test it out. Open the Assist chat window and type "Turn off the smart plug." Still, because of my low-spec hardware, it took a long time to load and process the request, but it successfully identified the correct device and turned off the plug. By the way, I've put together a document summarizing every video, link in the description. Let me know in the comments if you'll be giving local AI a try in your Home Assistant. As always, your likes and subscribes keep me going. Thanks for watching.